Hey guys, doing a vlog today, about to go on a bike ride. Probably record when I get down there. And, I might do a video later, but I don't know. Today's kind of a weird day. My voice is messed up a little bit. Allergies kicking in. But, you know, happens. Trying to find the key right now. Can't find it. So, yeah. Okay, we found the key, so it just got a little dark because of the candy PT.
Oh, you're vlogging right now?
Yeah, I'm vlogging, what the heck?
I got pee.
Yeah, so everyone...
Get a close-up on this shit, because you're going to want...
Yeah, see that? See that crap? We got it. Whoa. Okay. Went a little too far. We got the key opener, getting a bike, and see you when she gets the bike up. Okay, we got the bikes out and stuff. We got locked up, but look at my bike. It's a cool bike. Everyone has his bike though. So, I really need a selfie stick or something. Hold on a minute. There we go. That's his bike. See that?
This shit's weird.
Yep. Anyway,
Oh, God.
We're gonna go down the road, and I'm gonna see if I can hit up some spots. Okay. Dang it! I need to pump up the tires every time. All right, hold on a minute. Once you get to put tires open and stuff. So I just checked my tires, and I realized I'm an idiot because I'm looking down. It looks like the tire's flat. And it's not really flat. So, yeah, we're going down the road. See if we can find some cool stuff. See ya once we get to the road. Going down the road with no hands on my bike.
Going down the road with one hand, dick.
No hands, bruh.
Okay, so this is the vlog.
By the way, that guy is Sexythumb. Or Mathew Arroyo. Whatever pops up. And he has Mario for his icon.
That's what Bill Cosby accent.
The Bill Cosby accent?
That's not an accent.
That's not.
Fucking retarded.
And by the way, don't vlog while we're going down the hill. You're gonna get hurt.
While going downhill. Fucking.
We're going fast.
360, no scope.
Don't die back there. So is mine.
Huh?
So is mine. Looks like I have. Yeah. What happened?
Somebody own it?
I think so.
I don't care.
Look at all them blocks.
I'll see you guys when we take a break.
Yeah, me too. Okay, we just went down this big hill, and we were driving by this house, and this happened. It looks amazing, you know, and it has it's a hat. See that? It's a hat. Anyway, let's keep on going. See how far we can go. See what happens. I went down here a few times and I've never seen that. So, see you when we take a little break, I guess. See. Or whenever I see something cool. Yeah. And this person over here keeps on falling. See that?
What's going on?
See that? It's falling.
I was gonna say something.
What were you gonna say, guy?
I was gonna say subscribe, comment, and like the video, because if you don't, I'm gonna come to your house and fuck your parents.
Like I said, that guy is either Sexythumb or Mathew Arroyo.
It's sex.
Whatever pops up and it has a Mario icon.
I'm changing that background, by the way.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, there's like 12 people on YouTube that have that.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not even kidding.
Whoa. But yeah, we're going down the road and found this little spot. Seen this a lot, but I think it looks pretty cool. All the trees are lined up amazingly. It's probably somebody else's property though. But I don't know. It'll get Ed. See, this is what happens when you vlog. Hold on a minute. Okay, for me, it was a minute. For you, it was like not even a second.
What are you
Okay.
talking about?
I had to wipe something off of my screen thingy here on my phone. And there's like stuff. Yeah. This vlog's getting pretty long, and I don't want to waste. Whoa! Look at these rocks. It's set up for park. Yes, it's set up for freaking parkour, dude. You gotta record me doing that. See, I'm gonna do something
Give me this.
with this rock and probably over there. Don't pause the video, you freak.
Pausing the video.
You gotta flip it.
Yeah, I'm gonna flip it. Just give me a second.
You can't do anything, you just gotta flip the whole thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Whoa, my lips look blue.
They're really not.
That's weird.
Yep. Hey, what's going on? I'm gonna come up here. I'm gonna try and get this whole thing. Think I can?
Probably not. You're probably gonna die, and then I'm gonna film it and then post it on YouTube and get a bunch of views. Huh? No, I was getting distance. Do it. Do it.
That hurt.
You're gonna edit that out, right?
What?
Your fail?
No.
Alright.
I'm gonna do it this way. Whatever, I guess it works. Alright, let me see this.
That hurt. I'm gonna try it. Try it, you ready?
Alright, I'm gonna vlog. You.
Nope. I'm gonna try it.
Anyway, let's keep on biking.
By the way, I'm probably gonna edit like some classes and like
Okay,
windows and mountains.
we're still biking and stuff. Look at that stick. Probably can see a stick, but still biking. Hold on a minute. We're still biking and stuff, and I am probably gonna end this video right here. So, sorry, there's a mosquito on me. But subscribe, comment, and like, and watch some of my other vids.
So,
I have no idea what I'm doing.
an hour later.
Ha, and I lied. Just got back. A little tired out. Long ride. We've been gone for almost an hour now. Had some fun. Seen some pretty cool spots. Which you see in the video, of course. If you watched. Which I'm pretty sure I hope you have. Love you guys. Subscribe, comment, like, share, and dislike if you didn't like it. See ya.